Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7th, Subject English, Unit 2, How Things Work. Dear students, in the previous activity we have discussed about photons. Photons means tiny particles of light. So how we are able to see the things? Because this tiny particle, photons, they hit on the things and then they bounce back and we are able to see the things. The things are hard surface, then we are able to see the surface only. And when the things are soft, so photons are coming to the different angles and we come to know, we see the shape of the object. So that we had discussed already in the previous activity. Today we will see activity 5. The first part of how does it do that has many questions, and the second part begins to answer the questions. You already wrote some questions. Now use the pattern to write an article like how does it do that. Dear students, in the activity 1 we have discussed about some questions, that how does mirror work, what is the use of side mirror in the car, what is the work of magnifying glass, zoom in a camera. So that first article we have discussed about that, and the next part, how does it do that, part 2, we have written the answer of such questions. So here in this activity what we have to do, you can see here the blank space is given. Give your story about light, its own title. Write your question. So here, like how does it do that, part 1, here you have to write about a light, your own words, your own title you have to give, and you have to write some questions which comes to your mind about light. And down, the answer to all these questions are found in how electricity works, and how we have written in part 2, how does it do that, part 2, we have written the answer of this about the photons and how we are able to see the things, that we have written. So here in the down part you have to explain how you think electricity works to answer the question. Here in the first space you have to write your questions regarding the light, and the second part, second space, second box, you have to write the answer of such a questions which comes to your mind. So this is the homework activity. You have to write your own questions which comes to your mind about the light. You have to give your own title, and then here you have to explain that how electricity works, like we have seen about how electricity work for the refrigerator, for the washing machine, how microwave, the explanation we have seen. Like here you have to write some answer what the question you have written in the first. Okay, so this you can write at your home. Now let's go to activity 6. Look at this picture of the drop of water. You can see here the picture. There is one cloth, on that you can see one drop of water. Work with a group or partner to use the information in. How does it do that? Now question is here comes to our mind. How does it do that? Why the cloth under the drop looks bigger than the cloth next to the drop? You can see here the picture, dear students, that this drop of water, and under the cloth is there we can see little bigger than the cloth next to the drop. Where drop is not there cloth we can see smaller, but where the drop is there, the cloth looks bigger. Why? How does it do that? When you and your group agree on clear explanation for how the drop makes the cloth look bigger, write your explanation in your own words. Here we have to write our own explanation, that how the cloth under the drop of water looks bigger. Okay, so I will just tell you some explanation that how it looks bigger. You can see the drop makes the cloth under it appear bigger. The drop which is make the cloth under the it looks bigger, because the drop of water on the cloth should have magnified the area. When you can see the things with a magnifying glass, you are able to see the things bigger. So same way here the drop of the water have magnified area. So the area which is covered by the drop of the water have a magnified area. So we are able to see the things. This happens because the drop had a curved surface. You can see in the picture the drop. Now it is not a flat surface, curved surface. So as the drop has the curved surface and the flat bottom was transparent. Flat bottom is there, that is transparent. So the smaller drop of water, the greater curve. If the drop is smaller, the curve is greater and we can see the things bigger. If the larger drop is there, we are not able to see because larger drop doesn't have the curved surface. So the smaller drop of the water have the greater magnification and we can see the things bigger under the water. The larger drops may not have that magnification. So when the larger drops are there, we are not able to see the cloth bigger because the smaller drop more curved surface. So smaller drops having the more magnifying area. So we are able to see the things, the cloth bigger where the drop is there. That is the reason to see or to appear the cloth bigger at the drop side. Okay, so this explanation you can write here which I said. No problem, I will send you one PDF also. You can read that, and that PDF, the explanation which I will give you, that you have to write here in the textbook only. The drop makes the cloth under it appear bigger because, and then whatever explanation is there I will give you, you can write in your textbook only. Okay, so this is your homework for today. This you have to write, and as I told you earlier, here also you have to write your own questions and answer how light works. Okay, so this is your homework for today. Okay, so here we will end this video. Thank you very much students. Bye bye and take care.